If a tenant in Florida is violating the lease, this may be the first step before filing an eviction. But if it's handled incorrectly, it could delay the entire process. In this video from AmericanLandlord.com, we'll explain how this Florida 7-day notice to cure or quit works and walk you through how to complete the form step by step. And should you need a copy, you may order it directly from our website. Please note this video is provided for general information purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Laws may vary by location and may change over time. You may wish to consult a qualified attorney or local housing authority for guidance specific to your situation. A Florida 7-day notice to cure or quit is commonly used when a tenant violates the rental agreement, but the violation may still be corrected. This notice gives the tenant 7 days to cure or fix the lease violation or surrender possession of the property. Unlike a 3-day notice for unpaid rent, this notice is generally used for non-rent related lease violations. Some examples may include unauthorized pets, unauthorized occupants, excessive noise or disturbances, property damage or misuse, failure to maintain the premises, or other lease violations that are prohibited under the agreement. The violation should be described clearly so the tenant understands what corrective action is required. So before completing the notice, it's important to confirm a few things. 1. A specific lease term has actually been violated. 2. The issue can be legally corrected or cured. 3. Your method of service is allowed in your area. And 4th, local tenant protection rules are reviewed if applicable. Documentation may also be important, including photos, written warnings, communications, or inspection records. Now let's go step by step and show you how to complete this form. Start by entering the date of the notice along with the property address and unit number if applicable. Then list all tenant names exactly as they appear on the lease agreement. Enter the landlord or agent name and mailing address, and then enter the date or date range when the violation occurred. Be sure to check the category that applies to the lease violation. Then you must clearly describe the lease violation and explain what action must be taken to cure the issue. The tenant should be able to understand exactly what must be corrected within the 7-day period. Sign and then print the landlord or agent name and enter the date the notice is signed. At the bottom, enter the date the notice is served and then select the delivery method used. This may include personal delivery, substituted service, posting and mailing, or another permitted delivery method. Then sign again and date the certificate of service section. It's important to note, after the notice is served, the tenant generally has 7 days to correct the violation or surrender possession of the property. If the issue is not corrected within that allowed time frame, it may be up to the landlord to determine the next step, which may include further legal action such as an eviction. If you'd like a professionally formatted version of this Florida 7-day notice to cure or quit, we've included a link below in the description, or you may visit us at AmericanLandlord.com.